First time ever, an object from interstellar space has been observed to visit our solar system.
Throughout the history of space exploration, the question of whether we are alone in the vast universe has fascinated us. As our understanding of our own solar system has grown, it appears that we may be isolated here. However, what if this is only true within our solar system? This intriguing thought resurfaced when Oumuamua made its initial appearance. Now, in a surprising turn of events, it has returned, and things are becoming increasingly peculiar, as noted by renowned physicist Neil deGrasse Tyson. Let's delve into the unfolding events and contemplate their implications for Earth's future. In 2017, astronomers made a truly remarkable discovery that shook the scientific community. This discovery involved an object called Oumuamua, which became a game-changer for a significant reason. Oumuamua was unlike anything ever encountered before. It was the first interstellar object to journey through our solar system. Its visit was akin to receiving a message from a distant land. This extraordinary guest provided researchers with a rare opportunity to study something that originated far beyond our cosmic neighborhood, marking a new era in space exploration. Scientists could now examine the characteristics, composition, and trajectory of objects that originated from uncharted territories. Imagine this scenario: you have only interacted with your neighbors, and suddenly, a traveler from a different country appears on your street. Naturally, you would be curious to learn everything about them, right? That's exactly how scientists felt about Oumuamua. However, what made it even more intriguing was that Oumuamua defied the norms of a typical space rock. It didn't resemble the icy bodies commonly found in other parts of our solar neighborhood. Instead, Oumuamua had a long, rocky shape that distinguished it from anything previously observed in our solar system. It was like comparing an ice cream cone to a pencil. Adding to the enigma, while most comets develop a glowing tail when nearing the sun, Oumuamua remained tailless, resembling a kite without a string. This peculiar behavior left scientists puzzled. However, the intrigue doesn't end there. Oumuamua appears to be elusive, not merely following the gravitational pull like a typical space traveler. It's as if there are hidden forces propelling it, forces independent of the sun's influence. Two possible explanations emerged. One hypothesis involved outgassing, where the object releases gas, causing it to move. The other suggested that sunlight itself was exerting a gentle push on Oumuamua through tiny particles of light, akin to a cosmic breeze. Adding to the intrigue, Oumuamua exhibited a spinning motion, much like a spinning top on a table. This spinning caused fluctuations in its emitted light, similar to a blinking light. Such behavior was highly unusual, surpassing the extent observed in any asteroid or comet within our solar system. It's comparable to a spinning toy, suddenly illuminating and blinking. Certainly not something one would expect. While attempting to unravel the mystery of Oumuamua and measure its properties, different teams of scientists employed various methods, yielding a range of estimates. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, if Oumuamua were a spherical shape, its diameter could be anywhere between 320 and 1440 feet. To put it into perspective, that's similar to the height of a basketball player or a 14-story building. However, researchers from NASA's Solar System Exploration Division proposed an alternative idea. They envisioned Oumuamua as a stretched-out shape, resembling a slender strip. In this scenario, its length would be approximately 1/4 of a mile, spanning over 4 football fields. When it comes to Oumuamua's shape, there is widespread agreement that it deviates from typical space rocks, resembling a cigar or, for a playful analogy, a very slender burrito. As debates continue about Oumuamua's size, there is a consensus regarding its distinctive shape. However, the pieces of the puzzle are not fitting together perfectly. Some scientists suggest that Oumuamua might have roamed the cosmos for billions of years, acting as a nomad of the universe. It could have originated from a distant region of the galaxy before encountering our solar system, similar to discovering a seashell on a local beach that turns out to be from a faraway ocean. Now let's take a captivating turn in the story and consider Oumuamua as part of a broader cosmic puzzle. It is plausible that it was once a component of a much larger entity, perhaps even a planet in another solar system. However, a catastrophic event like a cosmic explosion shattered this large entity under the influence of gravity from its stars. Visualize a broken snow globe with its fragments scattered in all directions. Oumuamua could be one of these fragments propelled into space. What adds an extra layer of intrigue to Oumuamua is its perplexing acceleration mentioned earlier. Imagine observing a bicycle suddenly speeding up without any pedaling. Oumuamua experienced a velocity boost, prompting a slight change in its trajectory. It entered our solar system from above the flat plane where planets orbit, dangerously skimming close to the Sun at a distance about a quarter of that between Earth and the Sun. After its closest approach to the Sun, this celestial voyager continued its journey, venturing below the orbital plane of planets. However, the surprising part is that Oumuamua was moving at an incredibly high speed, approximately 196,000 miles per hour. This rapid velocity suggests the significant amount of kinetic energy carried by Oumuamua during its voyage. Yet, there is more to Oumuamua than initially meets the eye. Studies have revealed intriguing details about its composition. It possesses a thick outer layer, reminiscent of a cosmic shell, composed of carbon-rich materials solidified by cosmic radiation during its extensive journey through interstellar space. Beneath this protective layer, Oumuamua exposes its inner core, a remarkably dense structure primarily consisting of rock, potentially containing traces of metal. Notably, Oumuamua stands out due to the absence of water or ice, a unique feature that distinguishes it from typical comets or icy celestial bodies. Adding to the intrigue, Oumuamua displays a reddish hue on its surface, a result of prolonged exposure to cosmic rays over hundreds of millions of years. Now, the narrative takes an interesting turn, with the possibility that Oumuamua might be more than a natural object. Some experts speculate that it could be a deliberately crafted creation of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. This unconventional idea takes into account several intriguing factors. Firstly, Oumuamua's shape deviates from the norm. It does not possess a spherical form like most celestial objects. Instead, it is elongated, resembling a cigar or slender tube. Its length greatly exceeds its width, a departure from anything encountered before. Furthermore, its movement defies the expected gravitational patterns observed in space. Some ponder the possibility that Oumuamua might have been propelled by a unique type of propulsion system or even technology originating from beings in another world. One hypothesis suggests that it could have utilized light as a means of propulsion, employing a light sail to harness energy from distant stars and propel itself forward, akin to a component of an advanced alien spaceship or exploration equipment. In this line of thinking, the distinctive features of Oumuamua might serve various purposes. Its elongated shape could enhance durability during interstellar travel, while the propulsion system would enable precise maneuvering through space. Interestingly, Oumuamua lacks a tail or the emission of gas typically associated with comets or asteroids. Some speculate that this could be intentional, a method to maintain a low profile. The conjecture suggests that extraterrestrial creators might have employed a different type of propulsion system, one that is not yet fully understood. Now let's examine the object's reddish color and surface properties. We have previously discussed its interaction with cosmic radiation, but if we entertain the notion of Oumuamua as an alien artifact, this coloration could hold multiple meanings. One intriguing possibility is that the creators purposefully designed Oumuamua's surface to exhibit this unique reddish tone. This could have been achieved through specific materials or coatings that interact with cosmic radiation and stellar energy, resulting in a distinct color. But why would they do this? Well, this shade might serve as camouflage, allowing Oumuamua to blend in with the reddish objects commonly found in outer star systems. By assimilating the color of celestial bodies in its vicinity, Oumuamua could remain inconspicuous, avoiding unnecessary attention and concealing its true nature. But what could be the motive behind this covert visitation? Imagine an advanced extraterrestrial civilization residing in a distant star system, equipped with highly advanced technology that enables them to explore the cosmos and observe other civilizations for knowledge. Suppose they detect Earth with its signs of life and diverse ecosystems. Intrigued by this discovery, they dispatch a reconnaissance mission to gather information. In this scenario, Oumuamua acts as a vessel meticulously crafted by these aliens. Its unique shape and composition would serve various purposes. The elongated form would enhance endurance during interstellar travel, while the propulsion system would facilitate precise navigation through space. Equipped with advanced sensors and communication devices, Oumuamua could covertly collect data about Earth, ranging from atmospheric composition to surface characteristics, and potentially even detect signs of intelligent life. This data could then be transmitted back to its creators, providing distant insights into our planet. Although this may sound like a plot from science fiction, considering the peculiar attributes of Oumuamua, it is not entirely implausible to speculate that there is more to it than meets the eye. So could Oumuamua be a cosmic traveler from a distant realm, an artifact of an advanced civilization, or is it simply a natural anomaly, an astronomical enigma that defies explanation? We invite you to share your thoughts on this matter in the comments below. If you enjoy our content, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell.